Alright, let's see what's going on with Bitcoin. We are looking at the daily chart, and the data I have is to 1:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on January the 24th. Bitcoin gave us a big scare early this morning. At one point, it dropped all the way down to about 33,000. But now it seems like it is reversing direction. And right now, Bitcoin is trading at around 37,000 or up about 2%. What a big difference it has made over the past few hours. Last time when we looked at Bitcoin was a couple days ago. At this point, Bitcoin was trading below the 35,000, and I had indicated that if the price can stabilize at or above 35,000 over the weekend, and it would depend on how the stock market would perform today. If the stock market rebounds, then we would likely see Bitcoin trending up and could potentially retest the resistance of this downward channel sometime this week at 39.5 or even 40,000. I believe we are getting there. Let me go over as to why we saw this major dip and then this reversal in price. Now let's look at Bitcoin on this 1 hour chart. Last time we looked at Bitcoin was right around this point. At that point in time, I had indicated that we need Bitcoin to stabilize at or above 35,000, which is this line. And very much over the weekend, Bitcoin traded within its very tight trading range, dropped to a low of about 34.5 to a high of about 36. So it was pretty much behaved the way that I would like to see happen. But the price took a very severe downturn early this morning. Why? Because of the stock market. Now, if we look at the comparison chart between how Bitcoin moved versus the stock market, as you can see early this morning, the Dow future was trending very low. And when the stock market opened, the price continued to trade lower. At one point, the stock market dropped by over 1,000 points. Then it started reversing direction and ended up closing the session up almost 100 points. Big reversal. And that's precisely what happened with Bitcoin. After dipping all the way down to about 33,000, it's very much followed the direction of the stock market and trended higher. So this is a very good sign. With the stock market starting to show a possible reversal, the possibility for Bitcoin to stabilize is a lot better now versus 5 hours ago. So are we out of trouble? The answer is definitely no. Looking at the daily chart, even though right now Bitcoin is trending up, but it is still inside this downward channel. As long as it is trading below 40,000, the prospect for a more retracement is still there. Because technically, looking at this head and shoulder pattern, and given the fact that we already saw a breakdown of this neckline, the technical target could potentially take Bitcoin all the way down to about 24,000. However, I still hope that is not going to be the case. Because right now, Bitcoin is trading very much mirroring the performance of the stock market. And today, we saw the stock market make a huge reversal from down over 1,000 points to a closing of plus 100. Let's hope the stock market can continue that uptrend over the next couple of days. In the short term, over the next 24-48 hours, I expect Bitcoin to stabilize and trend higher. I am still expecting to see Bitcoin retest the 39.5, 40,000 sometime this week. And at that point in time, if there is a rejection at 39.5, then the possibility for more retracement is definitely there. However, if Bitcoin somehow can cross over and stabilize over that, which is trading outside of this downward channel, then the probability for the price to stabilize and trend higher to avoid this sort of major breakdown in price is definitely there. That's it. Give me a like if you appreciate this content, and if you like this sort of boring videos, make sure to click that subscribe button and turn on notification. Hey girl, hand me another beer please. Life is good.